I think it's a wonderful song, so we're going to learn how to do it. So if you would like to come on this little mini journey with me, then it's going to be lots of fun. You're going to need a C harmonica, a diatonic harmonica in the key of C. That's the little small cheapish these days harmonicas with 10 holes and no button on the side. But this course is designed for those of you who have the diatonic harmonica, which is the one that I personally love. So step inside and let's have a go at Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Here's how it goes. This is the intro. There it goes. Now I've heard there was Well, it's such a great song, isn't it? Come and join me. Let's play Hallelujah. You don't have to be an expert. In fact, if you're a beginner, that's perfect. If you've got some experience, well, maybe you've never played this before, so you might like to learn this tune anyway. But I'm gearing this for people who haven't got very much experience, beginner players or intermediate players. And what we'll do is we will look at the song in terms of the tablature here. Can you see this? This means hold 5, breathe out, 5, breathe out, 6, breathe out. We'll look at the chords. We've got a really nice backing track here, and you can see the chords moving, see the yellow part. So that really helps us. And we'll also use the dots, traditional music. So that's how we'll learn it. So we'll sing it, we'll play it, we'll read it, we'll use each little phrase with its own backing track. Each phrase comes with its own backing track and it's in a loop, so you can play it round and round. So I think it should be fairly easy for people to learn. So join me in this beautiful tune, Hallelujah. Now we get to the more exciting part. This is the classic bit here. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. That's it. That's what we're going to learn in this lecture. And perhaps you know, or perhaps you don't know, the fourth means the fourth chord. F is the fourth chord in the key of C. C, D, E, F. That's the fourth chord. So where it says, well, it goes like this, the fourth. G is the fifth chord in this piece. So the fourth, the fifth is just describing the chord sequence. The minor fall, we've got an A minor chord there. And then we've got back to F major and then G major. So you've got that lift. That's the fourth and the fifth again right there. Ooh, lots of theory. Well, let's just sing it. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. So don't go up to the D note until the G chord kicks in. Lift on the word lift. Let's have a groove for this. I think this is the one, the fourth or fifth. Oh, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. This, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. And what he's doing there is just building towards this E major. I know it says E minor there, but it's supposed to be an E major chord. He's building towards, this is this kind of central part of the tune, I think. This is where the lights come on. Everybody starts going, holy moly, what happened? On the word posing. That's in the next lecture. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Let's play this. I'll go back to the other screen. Well, it goes like this. So 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, another 6, all breathing out. Let's do it. Let's do a fumble through slowly with me. Here we go. 3, 4. Do you see it? 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, draw, 6 draw, 7 draw, 6 draw, 7 blow, again, 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 lift, 8 draw. So that's a tricky transition. That's the only tricky bit in this, I think. 7 blow to 8 draw. 6 draw to 7 blow, maybe it's a little tricky, but this is a trickier one. 7 blow to 8 draw. Okay, let's do it slowly. 3, 4. Yeah, I struggled to get that 8 draw in there. Mind you, I'm only playing one-handed because one hand is on the trackpad. Normally, if you play with 2 hands, you get more. What's the right way of putting it? Location. It's easier to play if you've got both hands, and quite often both hands will be resting against your face, so you get much better location. You don't make so many mistakes. You're a bit. When playing one-handed, it's a little bit pot luck as to whether you hit the right notes. Let's go again. 3, 4. Okay, I'll give you the track to practice with. So here's another practice section for you. And enjoy doing that. I will see you in the next lecture for the Baffled King composing Hallelujah. Now we are going to do the whole song right from the start. Okay, are you ready? Get your harmonica in your mouth, and here comes the count and the groove. Here's the groove. Here comes the first verse. in. One more time. Now I've heard was a secret word that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, hallelujah, Now this bent is just this little tag here, just repeating the last 4 bars. So you can improvise in this bit. Yeah, masterpiece. Well done. I'll give you the whole track to practice with. You've got the dots, you've got the tab, you've got the words, you've got the chords, you've got the backing track. You can always have a look at Leonard Cohen singing it on YouTube. It's generally in the right key. Or lots of other people, Jeff Buckley, Alexandra Burke. There's lots of people who have covered it. It's such a great song, everybody wants to cover it.